Industries based on ownership. On basis of ownership, the industries are classified as private sector industries. Industries owned by individuals or firm are called private sector industries. Public sector industries. Industries owned by the state and its agencies are known as public sector industries. Joint sector industries. Industries owned jointly by the private firms and the state or its agencies are called joint sector industries. Traditional large-scale industries. Traditional large-scale industries or smokestack industries are heavy industries which are located near coal fields for the purpose of heavy engineering, metal smelting, chemical manufacture, and textile production. Traditional industrial regions offer high employment opportunities in manufacturing sector with poor services and unattractive environment conditions like pollution, waste heaps, etc. Issues like emigration and unemployment are often caused by shutting off factories due to fall in demand across the world.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.